Hi everyone! I bought these items from Aliexpress. They are from KSCRAFT. I'm sure you guys have seen them 1,000 times on Instagram and on YouTube, and that's what convinced me to buy them. They had a bundle for $90 and I just couldn't bring myself to buy it when I keep saying that I'm going to downsize and stop shopping. But there's just some things I just couldn't resist. I'm going to share with you guys what I got. I had to get these. Look, they are like little witch's cauldron. There's some black hearts. There are some purple sprinkles in 2 different shades. And then there's like these little bubbles. So I just loved it. And then some of them are big and some of them are small, which I thought was really cool. So I didn't know that until I actually got the package. And then on this one, this is just like a pastel one. And I loved the little eyeballs. I wish there was a little bit more eyeballs in there. But I just thought that was really cool. Then I had to get the little pumpkin mix. So there are 2 different pumpkins. There's this guy right here and then this guy over here. And then there's glitter gold and then, you know, kind of like this brown gold and then this other gold right there. So I just thought those were really cool. Then, of course, I had to get the words. Like, there was no way I couldn't get the shadow words. I just absolutely love these. So when you buy these, you do want to pull them apart so you can get the 2 layers. So this outside is the shadow part and then the inside is the word part. So you're just going to go ahead and twist those apart. See, that one was super easy. Their dies are really nice. There's not a bunch of like extra little stuff that I need to go ahead and clip off. So here's your shadow piece and then here's your word piece. So I love that. I was like, oh my gosh, I need those in my life. Like, they are just so cool. Then for the bag toppers, I really wanted the Halloween one. So this came with the Halloween and the cat. But I just really, really wanted this one. So again, this one I'm going to have to take it apart. I love that they sent the pumpkin for the layering piece. Like, that's just so nice. I'm going to show you all these really quickly. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some samples together. Oh, I thought that this was attached. So it's not. That's awesome. So you can go ahead and choose if you want to add this to the top right here. I would probably reinforce this with some like poster board or foam and then do like a little dangle off of it. So that's really cool. Then here are your layering pieces. This little ghosty. Okay, so this is supposed to be for their like tiered tray die, and I don't own that. I bought it because I liked the fact that you got so many little mini die cuts. So I'm like, these can be used for like ATC cards or any kind of small like little embellishments that you're trying to make. So yeah, I didn't buy what they're supposed to go on, which is like, I think it's like a 3-tier tray. So I just bought these just to have in my stash. You know, they're different sizes. You get 2 different size coffins there. You get some little spooky branches, which you can put these like behind flowers. I would think would be really nice. There's like little like skeleton hands here that you could probably put like coming out of the tombstone. But yeah, just small little pieces. I'm like, you could totally have that in your stash. Okay, this one is an old one. I have been wanting this one, I think, since my spring embellishment box swap, which I think was last year. So somebody had sent these and they had cut these out in like a plastic, and I just fell in love with them, and I didn't realize it was this die until I asked. So I'm like, oh my gosh, yes, I need to get that one. So I basically got it for these like little tassels. They actually have the holes on the top. So I loved how she like layered them and sent it like a little embellishment. And then you get 2 love flags. This one does look to be smaller than that one. And then you get 2 flagpoles, one larger, one smaller one. So that was not part of the new release. Okay, these are so much bigger than what I thought they were going to be. I don't know why in my mind I thought these flags were going to be like little mini flags, and they are huge. Oh, look, I should have been doing this the whole time. So these are so much bigger. So the Halloween one is right here, and it's got the scalloped flag, but people have been layering it, and I didn't realize that you had to buy this separately until I had asked. I don't remember who I asked. I asked somebody, and they're like, no, you got to get that layering piece from the summer flag. So this is the summer one. So this one measures in at like what, 3 3/4. And then you're going to go ahead and layer this on top over here. Like that. So you're going to layer them. So this is the Halloween one. So we got Hocus Pocus. Again, these are smaller sizes because they're meant to fit on this banner. But you can definitely use them for just regular embellishments or for ATC cards. So we got Hocus Pocus, Boo Crew, all kinds of stuff. Trick or Treat, really cool. And then this is the summer one that has like ice cream and stuff like that. And then this was in there. So I guess this was a freebie. I think I spent about $50. So I don't know if this was a mistake or an extra. I don't really order from AliExpress that often, so I can't remember if they, you know, send a free gift or not. So I didn't cut everything out, but I did want to share with you guys what I have done so far. So from these little tassels right here, that's what came out with these. I put them in a little baggie. So here are my little tassels. I think they came out so cute. Definitely cut them out in a different color, and then you can start layering them like this so they look like little dangly tassels. I think that'd be really cute. I gotta go back and see if I have any like scraps of black, so that way I could go ahead and layer them. I think it would be really cute. And then on this Eek Ghost, I kept the pieces. So that way, if I do cut it out, I can go ahead and fill them in. So I wanted to try to cut it out in a vellum and see what it looked like. And then, you know, I could go in and just like pop the letters in. I could even still do it with this one. Just go ahead and like fill them in so it just has like the little outline to it. But I think I'm going to do it. Or even if I cut this out in a white and then, you know, go ahead and fill them in, I think would be really cute. And then what I did was I just off-centered the back from the front. In the example, it was like perfectly layered, but I kind of liked it having like a little like shadow to it, you know, not being perfectly even. So I think that came out really cute. And then the cat die I did cut. So it is a bag topper. So you just fold it in half and go ahead and stick it, you know, like this. Right on top, and just have it be a little bag topper. I didn't cut the ears or the little nose. I just did the eyes, and then I did the eyes in a silver glitter, and then the hollow. I think it kind of looked creepy just like gluing that on. I'm like, okay, I'm done. I gives it that little like creepy look, like I'm happy with how it looks. So I left that one right there. And then with the Happy Halloween, again, this one is also a bag topper. So you could just go ahead and put the like on the edge right there of a little bag. This is the one I really wanted. I didn't think I was gonna like the cat, but I'm actually really digging it. So I basically wanted it for like the Halloween, and I just love how this one came out. I think it looks so cool with that silver hollow and then that little like hollow orange pumpkin right there. I am so happy that it comes with that extra little layering piece for the pumpkin. And then what else? Oh, I did this one. So the spooky season, I did the same thing where I offset the little ghosties. So I think that one looks really cute just like that. So I could have layered it like right on top, but I don't know. Like I said, I was just like in this little like offsetting kind of mood, and I just think it looks really, really cute that way. This one too would actually be really cute as a bag topper. So I might try to do that next time. I think that would be a really good idea. I'm going to see if I can make that work. And then if it does work, I'll share with you guys. And then the last one that I already cut out were these word dies. And I am just so obsessed with how these came out. That black background with this hollow, oh my gosh. Just look at how cool that looks. So, so nice. So my background paper, it's actually not glitter. It's some kind of like weird sparkly texture paper that I got at Hobby Lobby. And then the hollow is actually a poster board that I got on clearance last year. I think that just came out so cool. So that's what I've done so far. I'm definitely going to work on the other dies, but I'll do like a whole nother video on those because that flag one is super cool. And then I got the shaker one, the coffin shaker, which is really cool too. So I think I'm gonna do separate videos for that. So that wraps it up for today. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down below in the comments, and I hope you guys are having a great day. Let me know, have you started Halloween crafting? I am just so stoked and so ready for Halloween crafting. I cannot wait. So all right, bye guys.